Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to show hidden channels on Discord. So it's really simple and easy. Now the first thing we are going to do is just go to the Better Discord, that app, and you are going to install this version. After doing that, after installing the Better Discord version, you would be able to go over here on the plugins option, and then you are going to search in the search bar hidden channel. Now over here we have this option. You are simply going to click on this download and you will be able to have this plugin in your Discord. After doing that, just go to your Discord app and you are going to click on user settings. Then going to scroll down and you are going to look for the plugins option over here under the Better Discord, and over here this is where you will be able to enable and install the hidden channel plugin, which would allow you to show hidden channels in Discord. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.